Hey guys, ayan. My new phone is here. The Samsung S26 Ultra. So, i-open na natin ni guys. Let's open this because I am so excited because my other phone is too bad. The battery is bad. I cannot maybe be charged. So, I need to unbox this one. How are you guys doing? This is just a quick unboxing. Of course, there you go. It's Samsung. Resibo siya guys. Oh, Samsung Galaxy S3. Oh, where is my... Oh, okay. Ayan. Parang... Fine. I am excited for this new phone. OMG. Oh my god, it's heavy. Look, never mind my underarms. Clear magnet case. Ito yung magnet case nga. In-order ko din. Let's see. Oh. Para shampooan. Magnet. Clear magnet case. Ayan. Oh my god, ang ganda. Ganda din niya. Oh, diba? So, ito na. Let's see. It is open there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is cobalt, huh? It's like OMG. Let's see. So this is 1 TB. 1 TB. Wala, walang charger. I don't have a charger. OMG. Bakit walang charger? Wow, ang ganda. Dito yung SIM. Tapos charge. Okay, let's on. I-on natin. I hope I know how. Of course I know. Maybe it's need to be charged. I need to charge it first because I think, oh, there we go. On na siya. Alright. Ano natin to? Ganda. Welcome. 46%. Alright guys, this is I'm gonna review again when I set this up, okay? I'm gonna set all of this, all my thing, and transfer my details to this phone. I love it. Oh my god, so pretty. Start. I'm gonna agree all this. Alright, thank you for watching.